I did go Ghana to catch a good time. So this pretty girl.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Your homeboy Paray, back again with another video. Today we are in the illest, richest, dopest neighborhood in London. Sorry, not just in London, in the world. We're going to interview Knightsbridge local, asking them, how did you get rich? What do you do for work? How much do you make doing what you do? What's your profession? What advice can you give a younger person or someone that is trying to reach a level of success? And do you love what you're doing? Right, let's go. What do you do for work?
I'm a customer success manager.
Okay, where is that?
The company called Cordiant.
Cordiant?
Yeah.
Okay. Does one need a university degree?
Yes, so it's good. It's good. It helps. Yeah. So I studied in Finland, and I did my bachelor's in Finland.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have the bachelor's.
Okay. Mm-hmm. What's your advice for someone that wants to get into the work that you are doing?
Into this profession?
Yeah.
Well, this profession, you're like looking after a portfolio of customers, okay. So it involves a lot of customer-facing communication. Okay. So you can do well if you have great communication skills. If you grow them, not to become great, and then if you studied business a bit and know a bit about the software, because our product is a software.
Okay. So annually, what's the range of what you're making?
The annual salary?
Yeah.
I would say roughly it would be about like 50. 50?
Yeah. Okay. One last question. You are living in one of the richest area in London.
I mean, it's great for you to assume I live here. I wish. I live in Blackheath, which is next to Greenwich.
Okay.
Which is also quite a fat area.
Nice area.
But yeah, I have no idea how to survive in Kensington, or we are a bit away from Kensington. Yeah. But otherwise, you can make it work with 50. Yeah. There are certain limitations on your real estate where you live and what you can do, but still, you can enjoy London.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Good luck.
Right. What do you do for work?
I'm an architect.
Architect, wow. So what would be your advice to a younger person that wants to get into architecture?
If you really like building and you like the built environment, I think you should try and do it. Not enough black people in architecture, so it'd be good to have more of us, yeah.
So how can they start?
Start young.
What skills do they need?
Drawing.
Yeah. All right.
And interest.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, we know that one needs a university degree to do that. Yeah. But looking at annually, how much does that fetch you?
Oh, I can tell you that. I'm comfortable, I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I work in the leisure centre industry, so we build and manage leisure centres.
Okay.
But I've spent the last 10 years coaching rugby and football to children from the age of 5 up to 16, 17.
Wow.
So I think looking back on the last 10 years, I've seen loads of little children grow into big young men.
Yes, you must have some people like in the Premier League that are already very, very successful.
We've got some kids that have gone on to play very good standard rugby and football, yeah.
Wow.
I think the key is hard work and making sure they have a smile on their face.
Do you enjoy doing this?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah, no, it's been great to do, yeah, absolutely. I've done it for 10 years, and now that I've finished doing it, because they've grown up, it's quite sad. So the good news is I get to spend time with my other son now, though.
Okay.
Because I used to coach my middle child's football and rugby teams.
All right.
So hence we're down in London today, just chilling out. But yeah, it's been a pleasure to coach a lot of children over a lot of years, and the key is to treat them all differently because everybody's different.
How much do you make doing this?
Oh, I did it for free, volunteer.
Oh, free.
Yeah, free. Absolutely, good. Yeah. So I work Monday to Friday, but on a Sunday it was all about rugby and football.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
I appreciate it.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Alright guys, so we found this art gallery and it's actually free, so we just have to come and check it out. So we're gonna show you what's inside here. Oh, what do you do for work?
Oh, I work in a hedge fund.
Okay, so does one need a university degree to do that?
Probably, yes.
Okay, so looking at your annual salary, what's the range?
The range?
Yeah.
It really depends. From in hedge funds, it can go anywhere from 40 or 50,000 to, you know, however much. It depends on how you go up.
All right. Do you enjoy doing that?
Yeah, I find it challenging. So yes.
So how do you meet up the rent if you are living in the richest neighbourhood in London?
Well, I don't live here. So fortunately I don't live here, but yeah.
My next interviewee wasn't comfortable to be on the camera, but he had some insightful truth to share. So what do you do for work?
I work as a chauffeur.
Chauffeur?
Yeah.
Okay. Does one need a university degree to do that?
No.
No.
Just have to have a knowledge of London.
Annually, how much do you make doing this?
I do 50, 60 grand. I would advise for our youth is work hard and they should work triple times than the other people who are living here, and they will be successful.
So what do you do for work?
I'm an assistant wine director.
Oh, does one need a university degree to do this?
Not university, but needs a school to attend to a school.
Okay.
There are a lot of wine schools that you can take a certification.
Okay.
And then the different levels. So it's up to you how far you want to go.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, continue.
It's basically a job that you never stop learning and studying. You keep updating yourself with all the wine news around the world.
Okay.
Spirits, sake, beers, everything can be related to this business.
Okay. Is your office in Knightsbridge here?
Yeah, it's around here.
All right. So how can you inspire someone to get into this? Like someone that wants to start afresh, what can they do?
Well, first of all, it requires a lot of passion to love this job. It's part of hospitality, so you need to be able to work long shifts and also to communicate with guests. To listen to the guests, first of all, to be able to give them what they want to try, what they want to drink. It requires a lot of studying, a lot of blind tastings, traveling around, meeting producers, visiting the vineyards. It's really exciting. It's like you might have it as a hobby and you end up to have it like an occupation, so passion. And then it doesn't need any ability prior, to be able to identify wines blind, something that you can build it by training yourself. It's really interesting, I think.
Do you enjoy doing this?
Absolutely, yeah. And to be honest, London has a big lack of staff in this occupation, so it's something that will grow and growing a lot. And we need more people. Okay. Definitely, yeah.
All right, my last question is, how much do you earn doing this annually?
I can't say so.
Annually? Okay, you can't say that.
I can't say that, yeah.
All right.
But I can say that there's really good potential.
Okay.
And you can end up with a really good salary that goes up to 70, 80K per year.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. All right. Do you live in Knightsbridge here?
No.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate it.
No worries, guys.